guys, it's Narelle here and welcome back to a new video. This video is actually going to be a very quick unboxing of commissions I got from Nautica Williams. If you guys don't know Nautica, you officially have not been from this world or haven't been born yet, because Nautica is amazing. She's my wife forever and I freaking love her. If you guys don't know, she is open for commissions right now. I will put her link to her commissions in my description box below, and I will put a link to her channel on my screen if you guys actually haven't heard of her. She's freaking amazing. I love her. So I'm going to flip this around so you guys won't be able to see where we live. So anyways, she put thank you so muches. So yee, and I always try to save my friends' washi tapes, but it never happens. So let's see. Ooh, is this one I can save? And this one I think I can, because she didn't use it to tape the package down, but I'm just gonna see. And this envelope is so cute. I love the texture of it. I was feeling it a lot when I was waiting for my phone to charge, because my phone was actually dead when I got this envelope. So I'm like, come on, phone. All right, and it's open. Okay. Alrighty. I see stuffs. Is there a note here? Yep, here's a note. Yay, I found it. Yeet. So it says, thank you so much, boo. I love you. I love you too. My love. I always keep my notes, even if they're this small. I always keep them. Alright, so on the inside is the stuffs. So yeet, and I'm gonna look and see if there's anything else in here, which is not. So it's her business card. I have like two of her old ones, but this is her new one. Oh, that is gorge. She has it on like pearlescent paper. Oh my word, that is so gorgeous. And this is her social media link, so if you guys want to go check her out, here's her links. But again, on my screen I will link her YouTube channel where you can find all the rest of these pretty easily. And then she sent me a sticker of I forget the name of the anime, but this is the Dragon Maid. I've never seen the show. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, Narelle, where have you been? Yes, I have not seen this show. But anyways, it's super toot. I love it. It will go on my sketchbook because I like putting my friends' stickers on my sketchbooks. But it's so cute. And I can't. Alright, so I commissioned her two commissions, one of Nautica and one of Akise, I think. It's been a while. So this is the one of Nautica. He's so cute! I love this! It's so cute! And then if you flip the picture around, yeah, it was Akise. I actually forgot for a sec, but it's so cute. It's so cute. I freaking love it. Nautica's style is just I can't even fathom it sometimes. But that is pretty much it for my little video on Nautica's commissions. Again, guys, commission her. She's amazing. She just opened up sketchbook commissions, so I might get another one very soon because oof, I love her stuff. Her stuff sells out so fast, so I'm like, Nautica, save me something. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much, Nautica, for all the love and support that you have given me over the past years of our friendship. I freaking love her. So yep, I will see you guys in another video. Bye bye.